Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between this Kasa mini smart plug and the Amazon smart plug. As we can see with the Kasa, it is quite a bit smaller. They both have a button on the side that you can use to turn it on and off with. But the nice thing about these are Wi-Fi, so you can use your Alexa device and give it a routine or talk to it and tell it to turn whatever's plugged into this on and off. So let's go over exact dimensions. 2 1/4, where this one's almost 3 1/4. Sticks out from the wall 1 1/4. This one sticks out almost 1.5 inches. Up, down 1.5 inches. And this one is a little bit smaller than 1.5 inches. Now setup on the Amazon one is much easier because you can just go right through the Alexa app. Where the Kasa, the TP-Link Kasa, you got to first connect the this to the TP-Link Kasa app. Then you go into the Alexa app and then you connect this to that app. So you've got to have 2 apps on this one, where this one you only have to have 1. You go right to the Alexa app, connect it, and then it works. Okay, so here I've got my Alexa device. I'm going to control it. I can turn it on and off with it. And with the switch on the side, I can do the same thing too. And here's the Amazon one. I can also control it with the switch on the side. You'll hear like a little relay clicking on and off, and I control it with my Alexa device. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.